Hello friends. Welcome back to Basic Uses English. Today, I will tell you a beautiful and emotional story in very simple English. Please listen slowly and carefully. This is the story of a brave dog. The dog saved a small baby. The baby was only 2 years old. The story is true. It happened in a small village near a big forest. There was a happy family. The family had a small house with a big garden. The family had a mother, a father, and a little baby girl. The baby's name was Maya. Maya was only 2 years old. She had short hair, small hands, and a sweet smile. She liked to laugh and run in the garden. She was learning to walk and talk. She was very curious. She liked to touch everything. The family also had a pet dog. The dog's name was Rocky. Rocky was big and brown. He had shiny eyes and strong legs. Rocky was not just a pet. He was part of the family. He loved Maya very much. Every time Maya went outside, Rocky followed her. He never left her alone. He acted like her big brother. He was always watching her. One day, the weather was very nice. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. Maya was playing outside in the garden. Her mother was in the kitchen. She was cooking food. From the kitchen window, the mother could see Maya. She smiled and went back to her work. Rocky was sitting under a tree near Maya. He was calm and quiet. Suddenly, Maya saw something moving in the grass. She did not know what it was. It was long and shiny. It was moving slowly. Maya thought it was a toy. She became curious. She walked toward the grass. She smiled and stretched her hand. She wanted to touch the thing. But it was not a toy. It was a snake. A real snake. A big and dangerous snake. The snake was hiding under dry leaves. It had black and yellow skin. Its tongue was coming out. It was angry. It saw Maya coming closer. The snake was ready to attack. It lifted its head. Maya did not know this. She just laughed and came closer. Later that day, they took Rocky to the animal doctor. The doctor cleaned Rocky's cut and gave him medicine. The doctor said, "This dog is not just brave. He is an angel for your family." The family was very happy and thankful. News of Rocky's bravery spread in the village. People came to visit. They brought biscuits and toys for Rocky. Children wanted to take photos with him. Everyone called him Hero Dog Rocky. Maya also called him my best friend. Rocky was now standing very close to the snake. The snake opened its mouth. It tried to bite Rocky. Rocky moved fast. He jumped on the snake. He barked and bit the snake. The snake tried to fight, but Rocky was stronger. After a short fight, the snake got scared. It went back into the grass and disappeared into the forest. Maya was safe. She did not get who Rocky saw everything. He stood up quickly. His eyes became wide. He understood the danger. He started barking loudly. Woof! 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 He ran toward Maya. He stood between the snake and Maya. Maya was surprised. She looked at Rocky. She stopped walking. Artie! She sat down on the ground and started crying. Rocky came near her and licked her face. Maya stopped crying. She hugged Rocky. At that moment, Maya's mother heard the loud barking and the crying. She ran outside. She was very scared. She picked up Maya and checked her. Maya was fine. Then she looked at Rocky. He had a small cut on his leg, but he was okay. The mother understood everything. She saw the snake tracks in the garden. She hugged Rocky and said, "Thank you, Rocky. You saved my baby. You are a hero." Tears came into her eyes. She took Maya and Rocky inside the house. The father came home and listened to the story. He also hugged Rocky. They gave Rocky food, water, and love. Every day after that, Rocky sat close to Maya. He never let her out of his sight. Maya grew up with Rocky. They played together, ate together, and even slept near each other. Their bond became stronger every day.